Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I wash my brushes, why I wash my brushes, and how easy it is to wash your brushes. And if you are new, I would love if you stuck around and subscribed. And this little crazy cat, I have no other intro. Let's get into it. Hey guys, today's product of the week is actually super important. A lot of people I feel like do not do this or do not know about it. And you need to know about it, so I'm here with the product of the week, throwing it at you. We're gonna do Mary Kay's brush cleaner, and I'm going to be washing my essential brush kit today, and also all my other brushes. Some people are really crazy and they wash their brushes after every use. That is not me. I have no time for that. But I do try to keep my brushes washed, especially if I ever use them on anybody else. And the one time I didn't, which was recently, did my sister's and cousin makeup, and then I did mine and I got a pimple. I knew better, but that's fine. 5 quick reasons why you should wash your brushes is 1, it helps prevent acne. 2, it applies color better, so like on your eyeshadow and stuff like that. 3, it keeps your brushes more soft, longer. Well, that's going into 4. Your brushes are going to last a lot longer. And 5, you're gonna avoid a bunch of bacteria and germs. 8 different things that can happen if you do not ever wash your brushes is bacteria buildup, because it is a warm, beautiful place for bacteria to just grow and get really nasty into your brushes. Breakouts, irritate your skin, clogged pores, creepy infestations. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that Jackie Miller 2015 video where it was pretty new and she had a beauty blender, but there was literally bugs in her beauty blender that literally crawled through, and she like cut it out and found wings and crap like that. So, muddy makeup application. If you just have a bunch of crap on your brush, good luck getting it on there nicely. Damaged brushes can be damaging to your brushes. And this one's kind of crazy, but viral infections. It's more if you ever let someone else use your brushes. So don't let other people use your brushes unless you go and clean your brushes, because some people have gotten pink eye and herpes from it. And that's just from my research that I've done. So don't quote me on that, but I was researching all this junk. Okay, let's get to cleaning and I'll tell you guys a little bit more about how to use this product. Okay, so it is super easy. You just open your brush cleaner. You're going to grab your brush, and as you can see, let's see if you can see how dirty this one is. It's pretty glittery. So you just take your brush and you thoroughly get it wet, and then just wipe it on to I use a paper towel or a napkin or something like that. Honey, Mama's filming a video, okay? Just wait. This totally gets all the makeup off. It's very fast drying, and it really helps your brushes just feel soft and new. Sorry that Bruce is having a meltdown. I turned off Baby Shark. So after you're done cleaning it, you just want to lay your brush flat and it'll dry. I usually do it like overnight. But yeah, you can just take a little tissue, like make sure that the brush looks good. Oh my goodness, sorry for the music, guys. And it is all done. I'm gonna keep rolling here. Alright guys, so when I do this, I just get it wet, all the way wet first, and then I'm going to use some of my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and just kind of like mesh it around, squeeze it, and rinse it. I just wanted to end and say that the reason you want to lay your brushes flat is so that, honey, can you say hi? Good job. So that the moisture doesn't go down into this part of your brush, and then it can help, like your bristles can fall out that way. So, all right, well, I think he's done, so we are done. Thanks, guys. Hope you guys liked it.